it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in today's video I'll show you a professional hair frizz comb. So let's see how this one looks and how it works. So this one is from Amazon, so let's open it. And this to clip and so there is only one button here, and it's pretty simple. One button here and only here. So it's pretty simple. It's not that difficult. It can be used both for men and women. So it's like a cover, and these are pretty just to straighten your hair. So it's a comb, just a electric comb, you can say. So let's put it in the plug and see how it works. Here is the switch I can turn on. Yeah, you can see the light. Light is blinking. Or there is only one button where you can increase the temperature and decrease the temperature also. And if you press a little longer, then it can be turned off like this. Yeah, press a little more and you can turn on. Then one press you can change the temperature. So let me, yeah, it's okay. You can make the hair straight. Here and here. Yeah, it's just like the straightener, regular straightener, but it's like a comb. I think you should do it with a safer distance because it's hot, the surface is hot. So this is how it straight my hair. I mean, it takes some time. It's not like it's like instantly in one time you can make your hair straight. It just needs some time, and it's just the similar way the regular straightener works. It is a similar way, but it's just like a comb design, but otherwise it's the same like similar way it works like the regular straightener. I personally don't use this kind of stuffs for my hair, like a hair straightener or curler, but the way it designed, it works fine. Okay, yeah, it's like a really simple to use. There is nothing complicated. Yeah, it's designed to comb your hair like for straight straight hair, and it works the same way. There is nothing complaint. They have mentioned it that it works as like a hot comb, and it's doing the same similar way. Yeah, it's there is nothing extra from this I would expect from this one. Yeah, maybe it looks a little bit cheaper, but it's not very expensive also. So yeah, that's fine. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.